Good morning, all of you. Welcome to your TSN English class. This is your chapter 3 from your book Flamingo, and the chapter name is Deep Water. And before starting with the paragraph, I would like to tell you about the previous story of the chapter. That previously, when the author of the chapter, when he's out of the pool, after that he felt that he was weak and trembling. He is not in good condition, and he decided somewhere and somehow that he will never went back to the pool. And this fear in his mind is like um, and his leg would become paralyzed, and this icy horror would grab his heart. And what happened after that, he's saying that due to that fear or haunting fear, he's not able to enjoy all these things like canoeing, boating and swimming. So basically he's not enjoying his trips. So now I will start our chapter from this line here. I used every way I knew to overcome this fear, but it held me firmly in its grip. Finally, one October, I decided to get an instructor and learn to swim. I went to a pool and practiced 5 days a week, an hour each day. So I used every way I knew to overcome this fear. So here author is saying that he is doing every possible way because he wants to just overcome with his fear. He's trying to control his fears, that somehow he can out of this fear. That is why he's doing everything so that he can overcome his fear, but it held me firmly in its grip. But he thinks that due to that fear, और दैट फियर इज़ जो है उसने उसको ग्रिप कर रखा है, लाइक और दैट फियर इज़ लाइक होल्डिंग हिम. फाइनली 1 अक्टूबर आई डिसाइडेड टू गेट एन इंस्ट्रक्टर. और एक दिन अक्टूबर के दिन वो सोचता है दैट वो क्या करेगा, एक इंस्ट्रक्टर से मिला एंड लर्न टू स्विम. एंड ही टॉक्ड अबाउट हिम दैट ही wants to learn this swimming. I went to a pool and practiced 5 days a week. So that after that, or after talking with that coach, he went to a pool and practiced for 5 days a week. And he is doing his session like 5 days a week. He's practicing over there an hour each day. और हर दिन वो 1 घंटा practice करता था. The instructor put a belt around me, बिकॉज इंस्ट्रक्टर को उसकी कंडीशन पता थी दैट ही इज़ हॉन्टेड विद दैट फियर ऑफ वाटर. सो इंस्ट्रक्टर ने उसके चारों तरफ एक बेल्ट बांध दी थी. अ रोप अटैच टू द बेल्ट वेंट थ्रू अ पुली दैट रैन ऑन एन ओवर हेड केबल. और उस बेल्ट के साथ उसने क्या अटैच करी, इंस्ट्रक्टर जो थे, ही अटैच्ड अ बेल्ट, ही अटैच्ड अ रोप, सो दैट अगर कुछ होता है, सो दैट वो जो ऑथर है उसके माइंड में भी रहे दैट आई एम सेफ. ही हेल्ड ऑन टू द एंड ऑफ द रोप एंड वी वेंट बैक एंड फोर्थ अक्रॉस द पोल. अब नैरेटर जो है, जो ऑथर हैं, वो कह रहे हैं कि विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट रोप ही इज़ एबल टू लाइक away from the across the pool. Here fourth across the pool means he is away from across the pool hour after hour, day after day. So वो धीरे धीरे प्रैक्टिस करने लगा कि किस तरह पूल में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा दूरी तक वो जा सकता है, वीक आफ्टर वीक. अब वो दिन पर दिन, यू कैन से दैट वीक बाय वीक चलते गए और जो ऑथर है वो प्रैक्टिस करता गया. वन ईच ट्रिप अक्रॉस द पूल अ बिट ऑफ पैनिक सीज्ड मी. हर ट्रिप में उसे ऐसा लगता था दैट कहीं ना कहीं दैट पैनिक, दैट वरी, दैट सीज्ड हिम. Each time the instructor relaxed his hold on the rope and when I went under. और हर बार इंस्ट्रक्टर उसे याद दिलाता था दैट ही इज़ सेफ, और जो रोप है उसकी वजह से वो वहाँ सेफ है. आई वेंट अंडर, सम ऑफ द ओल्ड टेरर रिटर्न एंड माई लेग froze. जैसे ही वो अंदर जाता, पुराना वो जो डर जो उसके माइंड में बैठ गया था, that old terror returned him and his legs froze. तो उसके लेग जो है froze here means he stopped over there. I was 3 months before the tension began to slack. It was 3 months before the tension began to slack. So it was like 3 months ho chuke the and not slightly stretched. Then he taught me to put my face under water and exhale, and to raise my nose and inhale. Then after 3 months, जो instructor है उसने author को taught him that how to get your face under, put his face under water and exhale and inhale. So how to put his face under water. So these are the tricks which are like taught by him through the instructor. I repeated the exercise 100 of time. So here author is saying that he repeats that exercise 100 of time, so that he is like became a kind of a person who is like totally learned this thing by heart, or he's like a perfectionist. Bit by bit I shed part of the panic. धीरे धीरे I shed, उसका जो डर है वो ख़त्म होता गया. दैट सीज्ड मी, जिसने उस पर जकड़ रखा था. व्हेन द हेड वेंट अंडर वाटर, धीरे धीरे उसका डर कम होने लगा. नेक्स्ट ही हेल्ड मी एट द साइड ऑफ द पूल एंड हैड मी किक विद माई लेग्स. एंड नेक्स्ट the instructor taught him how to hold his legs at the side of the pool, or kick his legs in water. For weeks I did just that, and for weeks उसने सिर्फ यही करा, so that he will learn all these things properly. At first my leg refused to work. Starting में उसके legs ने कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दिया, बट दे ग्रेजुअली रिलैक्सड एंड फाइनली आई कुड कमांड दैम. लेकिन धीरे धीरे ही फेल्ट कंफर्टेबल इन द पूल, एंड फाइनली वो अपने आप को कमांड करने लगा. नाउ हाउ टू लर्न प्रॉपरली दिस स्विमिंग. दस piece by piece he built a swimmer. धीरे धीरे, he is not saying that he's doing it in a very fast way. Here piece by piece means gradually he learned, or he built a swimmer. And when he had perfect each piece, he put them together. और जब उससे ये सब कुछ या step by step when he learned this process of swimming, then he is like putting all these methods, or you can say that swimming way methods together into a integrated whole, ताकि वो पूरी तरह पानी में किस तरह swim कर सकता है. In April he said, from October, November, December, January, February, March, April. So it's like about 6 to 7 months after that, he is like जो instructor है that told him that now you can swim, dive off and swim the length of the pool, crawl, stroke. So he told him to just dive off in the water and swim the length of the pool. जितने pool की length है उसमें swim करो. Crawl, stroke. Here the word crawl, stroke means a racing stroke in which the swimmer lying flat on the water with face submerged. सो एक ऐसा स्ट्रोक या एक ऐसा वे जिसमें जो रेसर्स होते हैं या जो स्विमर्स होते हैं वो अपने बैक पे विच द स्विमर लाइंग फ्लैट ऑन द वाटर विथ फेस. सो इस तरह की एक दिस इज़ लाइक अ क्रॉल स्ट्रोक. नेम ऑफ द स्ट्रोक वॉज आई डिड द इंस्ट्रक्टर वॉज फिनिश्ड. सो उसने ये सब कुछ इंस्ट्रक्टर को ये वट एवर ही इज़ परफॉर्मिंग ओवर देयर इन द स्विमिंग, उसने ये सब कुछ इंस्ट्रक्टर को करके दिखाया. एंड द इंस्ट्रक्टर वो फिनिश लाइक, अब इंस्ट्रक्टर का काम जो है दैट टू टॉट हिम प्रॉपरली हाउ टू लर्न हाउ टू स्विम, वो अब पूरा हो चुका था. एंड नेक्स्ट paragraph of the video, that is, but I was not finished. This video will continue in our next, this paragraph will continue in our next video, students.